Hey, what's up, Lauren? Good morning. This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. I had spoke to you a little while back. It was about a week or two ago about sending you a video on some things you guys could do to improve traffic and bring more customers through your website. I apologize for the delay. I did get I kind of got held back. Basically, some clients needed some emergency work done and stuff like that. But anyways, I didn't forget about you. I wanted to get back to getting this video over to you. Just wanted to show you some things you guys could do to bring in more customers through your website and help you dominate the Austin market. Now, if you're wondering why I'm making this video, I find that a lot of business owners don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for themselves. And typically, the only thing that holds them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So, at the end of the video, if you find that I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and could be an asset for you guys' business, definitely let me know. I'd love the opportunity to talk more about it. If you decided you just wanted to take this information, apply it yourself, and run with it, that works fine with me too. I just hope that you find it helpful either way. So, what I want to go over, Lauren, is how to make you guys' website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to get you guys ranked locally in Google's Map Pack. Okay, so starting off just by looking at your website, it looks great. Like I've looked it over. The theme is nice. You guys have a big logo, calls to action, links to all your socials and stuff like that. The first and foremost important thing, right, is again like taking the aesthetic out of the picture. Google's first and foremost important concern is how much content you guys have. Their objective, the way the algorithm works, is they're gonna put the person at the top of the organic search results that has the most information needed to answer a consumer's question, right? So to be considered authoritative, the average homepage on Google has at least 1,800 words. I'm not gonna count it out, but just by looking, like you guys' website isn't blank, but I know you're not even at the 1,000 word mark. If you were to have at least 1,500, if not 2,000 words, that's gonna help you guys rank for those buyer intent keywords that you want to rank for when people are searching for an HVAC company and they've never heard of you before, right? Um, Let me see. I'm using Precision Heat and Air as an example for you guys' biggest competitor. You know, they're the first company at the organic search results, and they're also dominating the local map pack as well. Again, I'm honestly tired of seeing this guy's face. I keep comparing him to other companies, so I want to help somebody take over these guys. But anyways, you can see like obviously the website looks super fancy and like high tech. Don't get intimidated by that kind of stuff. They have more content. Even still, they actually don't have 2,000 words. So just having more content alone is going to give you guys a chance at starting to take some business from them. And also, too, real quick, I know I'm kind of rambling. I'm going to scoot to the next thing. What you save your images as, also, Lauren, is an opportunity to stuff another buyer intent keyword in there, like Austin, Texas, HVAC repair, Austin, Texas. But you get creative and you stuff those buyer intent keywords in for each image that you have on your website, okay? So moving forward, I'm hopping over to a tool we use called Ahrefs. It costs us about $1,000 a month, but it does give us extremely valuable data that goes on in the back end of your website. It also allows us to catch a glimpse of what the competitors are doing correctly, so we can kind of mimic that. Okay. So how to be considered more trustworthy is all based on how many other relevant websites you guys have linking back to yours. That basically when all the websites point back to you are relevant, this ratio is going to be at close to a 1. You can see that's pretty offset there. We have Precision Heat and Air's information in here as well. See how that's still not perfect, but that's much closer to a 1. Let me see if I can find some good examples of backlinks they have. Muzu is a really good one. Let me see. Ductless, here can these are all like Blogspot. City of Austin directories, probably okay. Austin, Texas businesses, BizHat, like iHeart. See, that's like you would think that you could get publicity or like you get traffic from being having a link on a website like iHeart, whatever, right? But that's not really relevant to you guys' industry, and ultimately that will reduce this trust factor. Muzu is the best one I could see off the glance, but that's the main thing in moving forward is any backlinks you guys have, it's vital that they're relevant to your industry. Or you guys will keep this trust factor offset, okay? The last thing is just how to get you guys ranked locally in Google's Map Pack. Again, you can see Precision Heat and Air is the first one. Statistically, most people skip these ads because they either A, don't trust them, or B, they have ad blockers. They don't see them in the first place. A lot of people are too lazy to scroll down and find who's in the first organic search results. So a lot of business will go to the person in these top 3 spots. All that's based on is how many citations you guys have, Lauren. And all a citation is how many times your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Home Advisor, Facebook even counts as one. Literally look up the exact same directories that Precision's in, add yourself to the same ones, and about 50 more on top of that. You guys will take over this number one spot and start to take some more traffic that way. But yeah, Miss Lauren, that's all I got for you. I know it was a ton of information. Just a quick recap, because I know you said that you were busy, but you guys wanted to hire more techs when we spoke so that you could handle more business. If you implemented these things all together, you would guarantee see a boost in traffic and have a better chance at dominating Austin's market. But first and foremost, content is king. We want to have 2,000 words on this homepage. Save each of your images as a buyer intent keyword like Cedar Park HVAC repair, Pflugerville HVAC repair, things of that nature, right? Make sure any backlinks you guys grab moving forward that they are relevant to your industry, or you guys will lose trust and essentially hurt yourself that way. And then getting ranked locally in the map pack, just having the same amount of citations plus 50 more than Precision does, and you guys would take over that spot that way. So yeah, Lauren, that's all I got for you. I'm gonna get this video over to you shortly. If you had any comments, questions, concerns, any and all feedback is greatly appreciated if you did find the information valuable. So like I said, if you just wanted to take it and run with it, be my guest. That works fine with me. If you did want to have a, talk about how I might be able to implement some of these strategies and help, grow you guys' business, I'd love the opportunity to talk more about it. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. That's 682-269-6391. Thanks so much, Lauren. Hope y'all have a good one. Bye.